Hello everyone and welcome. So today we're going to be doing some Qigong for lung health. So go ahead and get into Qigong stance with your legs shoulder width apart, arms hanging loosely by your side, and we're going to take 3 cleansing breaths. So breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. So breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, and out through the mouth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you breathe in, breathing in all the way down through the lungs, down to the belly, feeling the belly balloon out, and exhaling and feeling it draw back in, feeling all the air exit your lungs. Go ahead and slowly begin opening your eyes, give your hands a little shake, and then just tracing over your lung meridian from the chest all the way down to the thumb. And then go ahead and get in a slightly wider stance, and we're going to begin knocking on our chest. So this is going to be right below our collarbone, just giving a nice gentle tap as you turn your torso. So keeping those legs really firm and grounded. And this is just going to help with opening up our lung meridian. So just really activating that meridian once more. Keeping your arms relaxed as they come up and knock on your chest. So keeping the upper half relaxed, having that slight little twist in the hips. Just a few more here. And then we're going to go ahead and go into a wider horse stance. In a wide stance, bring your arms in front of you, flex your wrists up, then down, back up, and then draw your arms as far as you can back behind you, really opening up your lungs. So breathe in, come forward, flexing down, up, exhale, come back, straighten your legs. So not only here are we activating the meridian that runs all through our arms, but we're also opening up our chest. So we're making space for our lungs so we can get in more energy, more blood flow. So really supporting our physical lungs as much as we are supporting our meridian. So go ahead and inhale, draw the arms forward, bend the legs, flex the wrist. Exhale, draw the arms back as far as you can, really feeling that stretch and that opening in the chest, and repeating. Inhale as you come forward, and exhale as you draw back. And then go ahead and bring the legs together. Take a deep breath in, scooping up all of that energy, and exhale as you bring it down the center of the body. And then coming back into a wide horse stance, bring your right arm up to the sky, left arm pushes down. Again, stretching that meridian, rotate arms, and get a nice little bend in your side as you're doing this. So inhale, exhale, push. Inhale, switch. Exhale, push. You want your legs to feel really rooted and grounded in the earth. So if this is uncomfortable for you to be this low, you can stand up a little bit taller. You can go down into a deeper horse stance, whatever feels good for you. You want to be really comfortable just focusing on your breath work and the movement of your hands. And bending that torso slightly to the side where the arm is pushing down. So getting a little compression in those side organs as well. So again, exhaling as you stretch, inhaling as you come to center, really wringing out and stretching that meridian. Bring your legs in, come back to center, taking another cleansing breath in, and exhale as you bring your energy all the way down through the center of your body, all the way to your lower dantian. Getting into a wider stance, bring your arms in front of you, bending at the elbows, having your upper arms parallel with the floor. So here we're really going to open up our physical lungs. As you breathe in, bringing those arms in, exhaling, expanding them open. So drawing everything in, compressing those lungs, and expanding. And here's a side view. Sorry, I'm pregnant, so it's not as easy to tell, but as you draw your arms in, tucking in your tailbone, and as you pull them back, pushing out your tailbone. So you're getting a nice little wave in your spine as well. So again, we're just opening up our chest, letting it get some energy and blood flow, but we're also compressing and really wringing out our lungs. So making space for new energy, new blood flow. Arms in, breathe in, tucking the tailbone. Exhale, open everything out, pushing out the tailbone. Breathe in, kind of curl into a little ball. Exhale, expand that ball. So we're really just getting that blood flow pumping through the body. And this is going to feel really good for your back as well. And coming back to center. So again, breathing in, scooping up that energy, and exhaling, just delivering it down the center of your body. And then go ahead and get in your Qigong stance. We're going to just do another cleansing breath. So breathe in through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out through your mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to go ahead and place our hands over our lower dantian just to store all that energy that we cultivated. So you might feel a little buzzing through your hands. They might feel nice and warm. So just go ahead and store that energy. And finishing up with a little EFT tapping. So go ahead and tap on the inner brow and repeat after me. My body is strong and my mind is calm. Outer eye, I feel energy circulating throughout. Under eye, sending strength to my lungs. Upper lip, clearing out any stagnation. Chin, filling them with healing energy. Collarbone, I am able to breathe deeply. Underarms, I am able to breathe fully. Top of the head, my lungs feeling strong and healthy. Then take a deep breath, place your hand on your wrist. Deep breath in and slow breath out. As always, thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoyed that practice. Let me know in the comments and I'll be back to share more with you soon.